to stop.
Hello, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make an up and down water elevator. It goes super fast, it's really easy, so let's get into it. Okay, so what you're gonna need for this whole entire thing is a block of your choice, soul sand, door, trapdoors, and multiple buckets of water. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is build out a platform with a block of your choice. You can make it pretty much anything you want. It really doesn't matter the block. And then right here, right in the middle, just after you build it like this, place one block of soul sand. Build up as high as you want. I'm going to make it that high. And then, after do that, we can place the door. Okay. So now that we have this, we want to get out of here, stupid block. Alright, we want to get a 2-block space right like that. Keep the soul sand right there. You can make it as long as you want, like a hallway or whatever you want. I'm going to make it just like this. And then what you're going to do, you're going to stand right here. Place a door right on this end. You have to make it right here. And then you're going to want to close it. You have to keep it closed. Well, you don't have to keep it closed. If you ever want to close it, you can. But I would recommend keeping it closed if you just want a regular water elevator. And then, like I said, multiple water buckets. You're going to want to place one on each level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And like I said, you need to place on each level or else it will not work. Trust me, it will not work if you do not do this. And, like I said in the beginning, this is super easy, super simple. You can build it in survival. No commands, no nothing. So, let's test this out. I'll go all the way to the top, and this is probably the fastest water elevator you can ever make. You don't even have to press anything. It just brings you right up. And as you see, you cannot go down. But like I said, I am making an up and down elevator. So what we're going to do is make it. So then, what you want to do is, now we are making the down part. The down part is probably a little harder than the beginning part, but it's still really easy. You won't have any problems with it, and it'll be 100% fine. So let's get started on this down part. Okay, so what you're going to want to do, you're going to start with a base just like the one that goes up, and then make it go all the way down. Remember, a block of your choice doesn't really matter, like, at all. I am using quartz bricks. Obviously, this will be a harder block to get than most blocks. No blocks work differently. And you can use any type of trapdoor or door, except probably iron ones. Yeah, except iron ones. It really doesn't matter the type of blocks. So that's a good thing. You can get like a lot of it in survival. No redstone involved, no nothing. Just plain old-fashioned water elevators. So then with this, and you will not like even lose the bubble things as you're going down, which is very, very good. So using this base, what we're going to want to do is make a door right here. As you can see, this is the up one. But if you want to get back down, I would say make this like this. If you want to make it so this is only for getting back up, I would say having an iron door with only a button on this side. So you can only get out from there. and then this is the way to get up. That's how I usually do it. You guys can do it however you want, but I think this is the best way to do it, so then it actually works like a system. So then, after this, we're going to want to do the same thing. Put a door right, no, we want to put an iron door for this one. So you're going to get an iron door, place that door. You're going to want to get any type of button. I'm using a stone button, doesn't matter. You do not need this soul sand anymore. This one is going to be a little easier. So then with this button right there, wait. Actually, I think this, you're going to need to dig one block down after this. Block of your choice if you want it to look better. And then put a door right there. Button right there. And then we're going to want to put a trapdoor right there. Every other block, you don't want to have a trapdoor. This block, and this block. As you see, you can close this one up and down whenever you want. And then you're going to want to carefully, you're going to need more than one water bucket. You're going to place a level of water on each of the blank places. And then you should have yourself a working water elevator. If you want, you can put some water down here on this hole. Well, you pretty much need to. Button right here to get out. Now, let's see how it works. Okay, so let's test out how this works. So, like I said, get in this one. Takes you right up. And then you can make a floor level right here. Oh, you can pretty much make it any way you want. I'm just going to make a quick floor level. So this down, this up. Very simple, very easy. You can do it yourself, no problem. So then what I like to do, I like to make it like this. You can put a door right there. Anything you want, pretty much. Have a door. That's how you walk out. So, like I said, once you get up here, you can't go down. And then, over here, you can have more walls. You go down here. Just hold the down button. Like I said, you won't lose any bubbles. Get out. Press the button. And there you have it. Your very own water elevator. You can customize it any blocks you want. And just make it uniquely yours. You can put that in your house. It works in the ground. It works pretty much anyway. So, like for more elevator things, I will be uploading Minecraft uploads, Redstone uploads, and a bunch of tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Yeah.